Hi, we're gonna show now how to penetrate Windows Server 2012 using Kali Linux. So we're just showing you now, this is Windows Server 2012, and it's staying at logging screen. So in Kali Linux, we'll run the Metasploit, which is the tools that we are going to use to penetrate the server and show that the server is not vulnerable. And this is to simulate a red team hacking or like someone from outside the organization hacking into the server. So we are going to use one of the tools. So let's say this Windows SMB MS17. Okay, and now we set the remote host with the IP address. This is the IP address of the Windows 2012, the server. And then local host is this Kali Linux, which has the tool on it that we are using. And then we'll say exploit. Now we're in, let's say shell. Now I'm in the command prompt of the server itself. So if I'm using net user, we're gonna see all the local accounts here. So I'm going to create an account with our group name. So I'll just say group 8, then give it a password. So it will be group at 123, and then we'll add it. Net local groups. So now local groups administrators. Then we'll say group 8 add. This is maybe I type it wrong. So we'll say net local group. Group 8. So group 8 is already created, but it's a user, not an admin account. It's a user account. So let's say net local group administrators, then group 8 add. Now the user group 8 is being added now to the administrators group, which means the account now is an admin account. So if I say net user group 8, so it will show here the local group membership. It's member of the administrators group. Now let's jump into the server, and now this is the administrator. We're going to change this one, and I'm going to log in as group 8 and put the password that we just created. And now we are logging into the server itself. Is that because the machine restarted before? But now I'm logged in as group 8 account. If we go here and say, we are logging in as group 8. So now this is how to simulate that Windows Server is not secured, and I could use Metasploit on Kali Linux machine to penetrate the server itself and create a local account on it. Thank you.